guys, saludos, Alexandra here for another An Author's Vlog. Broadcasting from my car. I'm in my car, it's raining outside, it like stopped a little. My son is playing basketball right there beside me, so I decided to stay in my car because the chair is more comfortable and I can turn on the air. When it stops raining, I will turn down the windows to save some gas. But I'll be writing today from my car, nowhere fancy. A typical day at the life of a writer. You probably have been here like me, writing in your car, waiting for an appointment or waiting for your kids. So you feel me, you know where I coming from. So yeah, nowhere fancy today like I'm used to. And sometimes we writers write in our cars and while we wait for a kid. So yeah, today's An Author's Vlog is brought to you from the inside of my car. My tripod is not holding. Anyways, thank you for joining in. My tripod is actually not being helpful today. So I think I will wrap this up. Sorry, but I just wanted to share with you part of my daily life as a mom and a writer. So when the time comes that I have to sit in my car and write, which usually happens weekly, and I don't share it with you because, well, it's not as beautiful as going to a garden or a cafe, and, or a museum where I've taken you before. But it's part of my writing process. Sitting down in the car while my son or my daughter are in their practices or anywhere that I have to be on mommy mode. And just wanted to share that with you because most of the writers do the same. They write in their cars, they're writing in doctor's offices, and it's part of the process. So I bid you goodbye for now. Don't forget to do all those things: subscribe, like, comment, share. Leave me comments. Tell me about your own writing process. Where do you write the most? Me, it's in my car or in my house, and when I get lucky, I go out and write at gardens or in a bench in a cafe or get inspiration from the beautiful art in a museum. So share it with me in the comments. I want to read where you go and write. So I bid you farewell until the next An Author's Blog. So